Isebe lezempilo kuzwelonke liphucula isicwangciso salo sokulwa nesifo sephepha njengoko kusondela usuku lwehlabathi lwesifo sephepha. Ngexesha lenkomfa nonondaba eSandton kusasa, umphathiswa uGqr Aaron Motsoaledi ubhengeze ukusungula kwenkqubo entsha yesifo sephepha nemiliselwe ukukhaba ngomhla wama-24 kuMatshi njengenxalenye yokubhiyozelwa kosuku lwesifo sephepha. uGqr Motsoaledi uthi ngeliphulo litsha, isebe lijonge ukuvavanya abantu abakwizigidi ezintlanu ubuncinane kwisifo sephepha ngaphakathi kwalo nyaka ukuya kunyaka ozayo. Uthi oku zinzame zokunqanda ukwanda kwesifo sephepha ngokunciphisa ukubhubha okunxulumene nesifo sephepha kweli lizwe.
Iphini likaMengameli uMnumzana uPaul Mashatile kulindele ukuthi athule uhlelo ngesikhathi somcimbi ukukhumbula usuku lomhlaba lwesifo sofuba KwaZulu-Natal ngesonto elizayo. Njengoba sazi ukuthi uMashi inyanga yomhlaba yokuqwashisa ngesifo sofuba, kanti uNgqongqoshe wezempilo kuleli uDkt Aaron Motsoaledi ube nesidlo sasekuseni nabezindaba eSandton.
We went to Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital and Lillian Ngoyi Community Health Center in Soweto. We launched a program to look for 1.1 million people who we know are HIV positive but are not on ARVs. And out of those who are test positive, 95% of them must go on treatment. And out of those who are on treatment, 95% of them must be virally suppressed so that the virus is not transmitted anymore.
Ubese nxusa bezindaba ukuthi basebenzise ukufinyelela kwabo ukukhuthaza imfundo nokuqwashisa abantu ngesifo sofuba. Motsoaledi uthi impi yokulwa nesifo sofuba ngeke iphumelele ezikhungweni zezempilo kodwa izophumelela ezindaweni zomphakathi ngemfundo. Uthi umkhankaso wokuhlola abantu abayizigidi ezinhlanu uzofinyelela kubantu baseNingizimu Afrika emakhaya abo.
We are further going to test in communities that we know to be vulnerable. And we want to say, if you are HIV positive, allow us to test you for TB. Because sometimes, most of the time, they go together. So let's also target you. We are also going to say anybody who have been treated for TB and cured, because it's a curable disease. After the cure, we like to follow them for 6 months and for another 6 months. Test them after 6 months and another 6 months. And those numbers must bring 5 million people to us.
Ubese gcizelela nengxenye yokuthi uma kuke kwatholakala oyedwa ekhaya otholakale nesifo sofuba kuzophoqeleka ukuthi wonke amalungu omndeni athestele isifo sofuba. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseSandton.